Hello everyone, in this short video I'll guide you through the measurement operations available in Kreo. We'll explore tools like merge, subtract, modify, knife tool, and more, so by the end of the video you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently adjust and improve the results produced by Kreo's AI tools. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the modify tool. For example, after running our measure for flooring takeoffs using rooms and areas category, we get these areas, almost perfect, but one of them needs a small adjustment. That's exactly where the modify tool comes in handy. To use it, I select the measurement and access the modify tool from the fly menu, or by right-clicking on the shape. Now I can work with the purple points to adjust the shape of the polygon. I can delete, add, drag to reposition to refine the geometry. Once finished, just double-click outside to exit modify mode. This also works with polylines. And additionally, you can use the modify tool to adjust count group items. For example, remove specific counts or split them into different groups. Next up is the extrude geometry tool. In the middle of each polygon or polyline segment, you'll find a purple slider, and you can use it to pull the line outward or inward and adjust the shape easily. It works great for quick modifications, and snapping helps ensure accuracy. Now let's check out the knife tool. This allows you to cut parts of a polygon or split polylines into smaller segments. Just select the measurement, then use the fly menu or right-click menu to select the knife tool. Draw your cutting line. Thanks to snapping, it's fast and precise. Once the line is drawn, press the Enter key to apply the cut and create new measurements. Next are merge and subtract tools. These become available when you select multiple measurements. From the fly menu or right-click menu, choose merge to combine multiple polygons into one. Just note, the shapes must overlap or intersect to be merged. For polylines and count groups, you will see a join option instead. When you need to subtract one area from another, for example, subtracting automatically detected windows from facade to get net value, the subtract tool is perfect. A great time saver, and you see, just in a few steps, we got rid of all windows here. And finally, the classic copy and paste. Just right-click on the measurements and select copy, or use Ctrl+C or Command+C. Then right-click anywhere on the drawing to see paste options. Those are paste with the point. It works like this. Just click to set all these measurements here and paste in the same place. This is especially useful for transferring measurements between pages or projects with similar layouts. That's it for today. If you'd like to start a free trial or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.